having a problem on your Windows 10? Are you getting 99% of disk usage? Watch the steps on how to fix it. First thing you do is open Run. Or press Windows plus R. Then type in services.msc. Then search Superfetch on Services. Now right-click on Superfetch, then click on Properties. Then choose Disable on Startup Type, and click on Stop in Service Status. Press Apply then OK. Now check your Task Manager if still got 99% disk usage. Feels good? Right? On some new purchased laptops or newly installed Windows 10, you might still get 99% disk usage after doing this guide. That's because there is an ongoing update on your Windows 10. Finish it, and you're good to go. If this tutorial helps you out, like, comment and subscribe.